Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tech Sense with Samuel, where we break down tech, money and smart digital living. Okay, if you are new here, please kindly hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification button so you don't miss full content like this. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can save smartly on Cowrywise using just your mobile phone. I've talked about this before, and there's a reason for me to share it again today. Whether you're a student, you're a business person, salary earner or a freelancer, this video will help you grow your money with discipline and ease. So by the end of this video, you will know, number one, what is Cowrywise, how to set up on your phone. Number three, smart saving strategies. What are the strategies to use when it comes to savings, and how to avoid common mistake that others do when it comes to savings. So without wasting much of our time, let's just go straight into today's tips. So what is Cowrywise? Cowrywise is a Nigerian digital savings and investment platform that helps you save automatically and invest your money in mutual fund. Think of it as your smart piggy bank, but better because your money doesn't just sit there, it's actually grow. With Cowrywise, you can do the following. With Cowrywise, you can save daily, weekly, monthly. You can lock your money away so you are not tempted to spend it. You can invest in mutual fund. We have different types of mutual funds. You can invest in it. You can track your savings progress. You can track how your money is growing. So you can withdraw when you truly need it. So you can withdraw your money at the appropriate time. You can withdraw your money at the appropriate time, at the maturity time. So the best part is this: you can do all this from your phone. Yes, you heard me right, from your phone. So let me show you how to set up Cowrywise on your phone. A simple step you can follow to set it up on your phone. Come along, let me show you. So how to set up Cowrywise on your phone? Step one, go to your app store. If you're an Android user, open Google Play Store. If you're an iPhone, open Apple Store. Search for Cowrywise and install the app. So sign up by opening the app. So you require to enter your email address, create password, you verify your email, you enter your personal details. But because I've registered, I only need to come to the login page and put in my password. So let's quickly dive into Cowrywise environment. So I'm going to input my password now. So you see the environment. So welcome to Cowrywise environment. Here you see from your phone, home, save, invest. Here you can also set up your profile. So as a new user, you're going to link your bank account. You're going to add your bank details, verify your bank. This allows Cowrywise to automatically debit your account for savings. Once you are done, you are ready to start savings after you've input your bank details. So let's check our profile together. See there you can set up your profile, your personal details, your security, every of your details. You can see your behavior, you are improving. That's your profile. So here, your payment, here you are going to link your account like I explained. That's all you're going to do in that place. So another one is that you can also refer a friend and get paid for it. It now depends if they use your registration link to register. So let's go straight to the business. While we're here, save. You want to save. How do we go about it? What is the first thing to do? So you click on that save button, and you're going to see save by myself, and the plus sign at the front of save by myself. You click on it, click on that, but the plus sign, then it will take you to an environment where you're going to set up a plan. You can have multiple plans. You can have, like I said, you can have a multiple portfolio. Just keep going back to that place and click that plus sign. So let's name our plan something. You can give it a name. So let's say you want to save for birthday, you want to save for Christmas, you want to save for rent, you want to save for December. So just put in the name and that's all. So go, then you create a plan. How much do you want to be saving? Is it 1,000, 10,000, 100,000? So let's start with 1,000 naira. And also, how do you want to be saving? Is it every day? Is it every week? Or is it monthly? So it now depends on how you want your saving to be. So for this training, for this video rather, we are going to be saving every month. So I want to save for every month 1,000 naira every month. So just put 1,000 naira there. Then I pick month. Then which of the day in the month I want my money to be debited from my account. I want it to be debited from my account. So you can pick number 1, second day, the third day, or 28th. It depends on how money hits your bank account. If you're a salary earner, you receive your salary every 25th or 28th. You can decide to set it a day after that time. Then how many months do you want to save your money for? Is it for 3 months? Is it for 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 2 years? Like I said, you need to have a goal. You can also customize the number of months you want to use or the number of weeks you want to use. So I pick 6 months and look at the summary of my savings. So I'm saving 1,000 naira. Also, there's also an interest compared to your bank account. If you leave 1,000 naira in your account for 6 months, you know what will happen after the 6 months. But in this case, there is always an interest. So also note, you can only withdraw after your maturity date, the date you set to make that withdrawal. You cannot withdraw before the maturity. So I used to tell people, you need to calm down, check the dates you want to choose for your withdrawal, for your money to be matured. If you set 2027 in 2026, you can only withdraw in 2027. I've had that experience before. I want to save for one year. I eventually save for 2 years. So that is that. You click on save and yes, you are rock. You save. Then it take you back to your portfolio. My birthday, you see the details, and that's that. Also, you can top up your savings if you have more money. Like, you don't want to wait till the month end, you can always top up. Maybe this week you have another money that enter your account, you can top up 2,000, 1,000, any amount. You can do that. That's the beauty part of Cowrywise. You can always top up at any period of time. So that's that. And don't forget, like I said, you can have multiple portfolio. You can save for your birthday, your house rent, your landed property, that car you want to buy. You can save for it. You can save for your children. You can save for yourself. So your landlord shouldn't be disturbing you a month before your house rent will due. So you can always save before or immediately you pay for your year. You can start saving the next month. So that it has been working for me, and I believe if you follow, it will work for you too. So let me share with you common mistakes to avoid when it comes to savings. Number 1, withdrawing too often. Saving only work if you don't touch it unnecessarily. Use lock saving for money you don't want to have access to easily. All right. The second mistake is that savings without a purpose. A lot of people don't have reason why they save. They just want to save because their friends are saving. You must have a reason why you want to save money. If you don't know why you're saving, you will eventually stop. You will definitely stop because there is no goal. There is nothing pushing you for that savings. Always attach a goal to every of your savings plan. If you want to buy a car, you know you're saving to buy a car. You are saving for rent. You have it at the back of your mind. If you are saving for your birthday, if you are saving for Christmas, if you are saving for the December period, you have a goal. Have reason for because if you don't have all these things, definitely you will stop at the long run. The third mistake is that ignoring investments. If inflation eats your money, invest part of your savings so your money doesn't lose value over time. Fourth mistake, not reviewing your plan. Your income will change, your expenses will change. Review your Cowrywise savings plan every 3 to 6 months. You know, the more money you get, the more savings you are expected to save. So guys, that is how you can save smartly on Cowrywise using your mobile phone. Quick recap: download Cowrywise, set up automation savings, create multiple goals, lock your savings, invest part of your money, stay consistent. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to Tech Sense with Samuel. Drop a comment under this video if you have used Cowrywise before or you're about getting started. See you in the next video. Stay smart, stay saving, and stay winning. Bye.